Hey everyone, this is M Reviews, and in today's video, I'm going to go over one of my Amazon registry must-haves that I really loved being gifted. So this is, when it came, it was not set up. It came in a box from Amazon, and the assembly was done independently by me. If I can do it, you can do it. I believe there may be an option. Sometimes they have the options that you can pay additional fee to get it assembled, but trust me when I say that it was very easy to assemble, and I'll go over that. I believe this footrest came pre-assembled, and I'm going to get into this back a little closer so you can see everything. So this is the rocking footrest. It rocks along with the chair, and it came pre-assembled in the box. So that's what you didn't have to set up. But the actual chair right here, so we'll go over all the different parts of it, and I'll drop the link to this specific chair. No, I am not getting paid for this review. I will drop the link to the product because I really think it's a great product to have. I thought that because it was from Amazon, the material would be kind of like, you know, not as high-end as I would want. This is very, very comfortable. It has the two armrests. Look, as you can see, I'm squeezing it. This is a bit more firm, but it still is comfortable. And again, if you don't like this, you can always like switch it out for your own because it does have the portion where you just, you know, you tie it onto the back. And this as well, it's tied onto the back. The things that there's buttons on the side, and that is for the armrest. So the armrests have buttons on each side. And then it has a phone holder, whatever you want on the side, book holder, phone holder, whatever helps you when you're sitting with baby and you're rocking, trying to get them back to sleep. Each side has those. And then here's the springs underneath the chair. With the assembly comes very specific instructions. So there comes screws and different things, and it tells you there's the rest, the armrest, things like that. All these things came pre-assembled. Essentially, we just had to like hook them on. So it'll say arm A, hook 2. So this piece right here, this arm, we did assemble. And it's fairly easy to put it together. It comes with everything that you need to set it up, and it'll let you know, okay, how to do what. But I just wanted to show you guys that this is a very, very, very nice chair. I would put the link in the description. It was very worth the price, though it was a gift. I believe that every registry should have this chair added onto it, the rocking chair. Even if you don't use it for the baby, you'll use it for yourself and you need a mommy moment. So this is the Costzon Nursery glider, and it's $189.99 right now. It's usually $205. It runs you about. So it doesn't have the assembly when I check, but again, sometimes they add it, sometimes they don't. So again, this chair came with everything that you needed to set it up. See right here, these bars went right into here. Like everything just fit perfectly. And then these are things that had to be screwed, like those little gold pieces. But this is something that you can definitely do on your own without paying that assembly fee. It's very easy to get everything together. So there will be more videos. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And there will be more coming soon. Thank you.